Ever wondered how to decode financial statements? Well, today is your lucky day. Financial statements are the report cards of companies, crucial for making informed decisions as an investor. So, buckle up as we dive into the world of financial statements. There are three main financial statements you need to familiarize yourself with. First off, we have the balance sheet. This is like a snapshot that shows what a company owns, its assets, what it owes, its liabilities, and the value of the business to the company's shareholders, the shareholders' equity, at a specific point in time. Next up is the income statement. This paints a picture of the company's revenues and expenses over a period of time, ultimately showing you the company's net profit or loss. It's your go-to place to understand a company's profitability. Finally, we have the cash flow statement. This statement shows where the company's cash is coming from and where it's going. It's divided into cash from operating activities, investing activities, and financing activities. This will tell you how the company is generating and spending its cash. These three statements are the pillars of financial analysis. Understand them, and you're well on your way. First up, the balance sheet, a snapshot of a company's financial position. This document is like a financial X-ray, revealing what a company owns, owes, and the equity held by shareholders at a specific point in time. The assets, both current and long-term, represent the resources controlled by the company. Liabilities, on the other hand, are the financial obligations a company must settle. The difference between the assets and liabilities is the shareholders' equity, essentially the net worth of the company. Each of these elements tells a story about the company's financial health. A healthy balance sheet is a good sign. It's the first step towards a promising investment. Next on our list is the income statement, the profit and loss account. This statement is your window into a company's profitability. It's where you'll find key elements like revenue, which is the total amount of money generated from sales. Then, you'll see the cost of goods sold, which are the direct costs attributed to producing the goods sold by the company. Subtracting these two gives you the gross profit. Next, you'll find operating expenses, which are the costs associated with running the business. Subtracting these from the gross profit provides the net income, the company's total earnings. Remember, a profitable company is not always a good investment, but it's a great place to start. Lastly, but certainly not least, we have the cash flow statement. This financial document is all about the lifeblood of any business, cash. It's a detailed roadmap of how cash is flowing in and out of a company, broken down into three sections: cash flows from operating activities, investing activities, and financing activities. It gives a comprehensive view of a company's liquidity. Operating activities tell us about the cash generated from the core business. Investing activities show how cash is used for investments in assets, while financing activities highlight how a company raises capital and pays it back. Cash is king. Understanding where it comes from and where it goes is vital for any investor. Now that you know how to read financial statements, it's time to put that knowledge to use. Think of these documents as your secret decoder ring for the world of finance. Understanding them can help you compare different companies, spot industry trends, and make more informed investment decisions. You'll be able to see beyond the buzzwords and marketing tactics, and get a clear picture of a company's financial health. Whether you're assessing a potential investment, or just looking to understand a company better, these financial statements are an invaluable tool. So keep practicing, keep analyzing, and soon, these documents will become your best friends in the investing world. And there you have it. A beginner's guide to decoding financial statements. We've explored balance sheets, income statements, cash flow statements, and how to apply this knowledge. Remember, the more you learn, the more you earn. Stay tuned for more financial tips and tricks. Until next time, happy investing.